floating experiment. Now we got water, lemon, fork and salt. If we put the lemon first, it will look like the lemon is sinking. Now, but there's one solution. We will put salt to it. 1, 2, and 3 spoons of salt. Mixing. Keep adding salt. Now we keep mixing. Now if we put the lemon, it floats. This is happening because the lemon is floating. When the lemon is put in normal water, it sinks because the water is low density and lemon is high density. So the high density lemon sinks. But to make the water high density, we will use salt. When we add salt and make it dissolve, it actually makes water more density and then the lemon becomes less density. That makes the lemon to float.